Catalan Arts is the Catalan Institute for Cultural Companies brand for the international promotion of Catalan cultural and creative companies. Via our network of offices in Europe, we work on a variety of lines of action to connect, mentor, and support creative companies in their international journey. At Catalan Arts, we also work closely with the strategic Catalan marketplaces for performing arts and music, such as Fira Tàrrega for street arts and unconventional performing arts, Sismograph for dance, Trapezi for circus, Mostra d'Igualada for children's and youth performing arts, and Mercat de Música Viva de Vic for music. To this end, Catalan Arts is working to strengthen Catalan companies and their creative works presence at international fairs and key professional events. We also offer a range of useful materials and resources to professionals based in Catalonia who want to develop their projects internationally, as well as to professionals from other countries looking for artistic productions and willing to establish contact with their creators and promoters.